This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete search history in Safari on iPhone. You can easily clear your Safari browsing histories and data. First of all, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and search for Safari. Tap on Safari, scroll down, tap on Advanced, tap on Website Data, tap on Remove all website data, tap on Remove Now, then tap on Back. Now tap on Clear History and Website Data, tap on Clear History and Data. And this is how we can delete search history in Safari on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.